Vacuum, well do you run away every time I turn on. Cat, because you scream like my soul. Vacuum, I am literally cleaning. Cat, and I am literally surviving. Vacuum, if you stop raining, I'd finished faster. Cat, if you stop it existing, I'd live longer. Coffee, you look terrible. Student, thank you, you're the reason. Coffee, you drink me at 1 a.m. You expect? Student, energy, motivation, life. Coffee, body, I am a beverage, not therapy. Student, then why do I feel emotion support from holding you? Coffee, because you're running on hope and caffeine humans. Student, fair. Gust 1, you hear something. Gust 2, yeah, silence. Gust 1, creepy. Gust 2, I know, right? This house has had humans in ears. Gust 1, so who are we even haunting? Gust 2, mostly each other and boredom. Gust 1, no wonder chairs keep floating. You get restless. Gust 2, bro, this was you last night. You snored and leave it in this couch. Doctor, good news. Your test results came back negative. Patient, and the bad news. Doctor, they winter yours. Ghost, boo! Man, you don't scare me. Ghost, I've seen your search history. Man, okay, that's answer. Angel, I'm your golden angel. Me, then you stay there. Angel, bro, I clock out at 6 p.m. Demon, I came to claim your soul. Me, do you expect this? Demon, why would you need aid? Me, you'll see.